Hello everyone.
Hello.
Today we are having something that I didn't really see us doing for quite a while, but then reality hit us and we ended up doing it anyway now.
Hypertrain.
Temu. We ordered something from the platform that the rage is all about at the moment.
Yeah, everybody is doing Temu, so we thought, well, let's do Temu as well. Our package arrived today and it has been split open and sealed, so let's just hope everything is in there.
I hope so too. This is very fresh now. The mailman just came like about, I don't know, an hour ago. And we just like very spontaneously put all our equipment up to record this, so this is live. We haven't looked into this, we do not know what expects us, and I mean, obviously we do know what we ordered, but we do not know what it comes out like. First item.
This is our first item. This is some kind of brush.
Comes with a nice plastic cap and a little handle.
This one, I actually have a screenshot of it on my phone because it's just hilarious.
It has one of these wonderful names they have on these platforms.
Yeah, I'll put a screenshot here so you can have a look. It's got some writing on it that we can't read.
Probably, I hope it doesn't say anything offensive.
Hopefully not. It's very coarse and weird feeling.
That's a very long one too.
It is very long, huh?
Let's put that aside here.
And then we ordered some of these because we noticed that a lot of people have been looking and researching for these, so we thought we would get some and then review them.
I'm not even trying to read that out, what that company is called, but I do assume the idea is that you somehow say the brand name in the French way, so it's probably Brufune or something like that, which I'm very sure means absolutely nothing. But they're color pencils.
They're color pencils, which we will be trying separately. We're basically just doing an unboxing right now.
They're specifically oily pencils.
Oily
We're
pencils.
very curious.
Okay, pull something out there.
I'm pulling something out. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, it's stickers. We ordered a bunch of stickers because they were cheap. And who doesn't love a sticker? You can always use a sticker.
Always.
If you actually are able to open the packaging. Ah, there we go. Let's go. Packaging. And it's very lovely ones.
You chose those.
I think there was like one that stood out to me, and yeah. But hey, I like them. Yeah, this one is cool.
I like this one. That's a cool one.
We kind of noticed on Temu and probably also on other platforms like this, you have to be a little careful with stuff that has skulls in it, because some are being used for images that are not necessarily legal in all countries, but this one is fine. So yeah, this is Venom or something. I'm not sure if Marvel is okay with this. The quality seems to be fine. I mean,
yeah, they seem nice.
They feel nice. They don't feel cheap. It's not like someone just printed out stuff on a piece of sticker paper. When you see, maybe also glossy. I like.
Yeah, those are nice. Oh, that one's a cool one.
That one's cool. Just let me see. Hello.
Oh, there's Deadpool.
Oh, hello, Marvel. No, I like here. I think this one was the one that stood out to me.
The bear, that's nice.
Yeah, if you are an artist and you recognize any of this as your work, don't kill us, kill Temu.
Yeah, no, that's Temu. I mean, I've actually had some of my art stolen.
Oh, I remember.
I did a picture of 2D from Gorillas way back in 2004. and I did it with a mouse. I'm going to put a screenshot of it here. I don't know how many times this piece of art has been stolen of mine. I've seen it, the worst thing, sold on Amazon as a shower curtain.
Which is jokes on them. I don't think you can copyright fan art, but you can also not make money out of fan art, and they are doing anyway. But whatever.
Okay, so
What's that?
this is a screen cleaner. Screen cleaner. Spray, wipe, cleans all screens. I saw these advertised quite often. So the theory is we have a very soft thing here, and you are supposed to, I don't know how you get this thing out here to put water in. Oh, yeah, there we are. You put some water in here, or some other cleaning solution that you can use on a screen, and the theory is that you're supposed to like spray it on your screen and then you wipe it with this here, and it's supposed to clean your screen. We'll do a demonstration later on this.
So I have to, because we have the light obviously, so I always have to reach around it. What do we have here? It's a sketchbook.
A sketchbook.
This one's interesting.
That one is interesting.
So, because look at this. This is tone tan paper by the very well-known company Strathmore. Costs, I don't know, $10 or so.
Yeah, these are not cheap.
This one costed us, I don't know, I think like $3 or $4. You see what they were going for. They were obviously very much copying the layout and the look of it.
Yeah, so I just want to shout out to my friend Carolyn who sent me this. I still owe you one.
Let's see, let's open this. I'm curious. There we go. So we do have slightly thicker paper. I'm gonna give it a little touch.
Okay, no, that's not so bad.
It doesn't seem bad. I mean, it's a nice little book of paper. It has 25 sheets in it. Under 20 gram paper. It's not the thickest in the world, but it's nice for sketching usually. We shall see how that goes. More stickers.
More stickers. So
And again, who doesn't love a sticker?
oh, I adore stickers.
If I was a child, gave me just a sheet of stickers and I was in heaven for a while.
What?
It's Lincoln Park.
Lincoln Park. Oh.
Lincoln Park.
And here we have, which is obviously the Beatles, without faces.
The faceless Beatles.
The Ramones. But yeah, basically these are all about rock and metal, which is what we are really big fans of.
Yeah, it's not like we want to do very special things with it. Those are just for decoration purposes and our stuff.
Yeah, this is going to go like decorate covers of sketchbooks, etc. But no, these are actually really nice.
Again, probably the original bands / managements will not see any sense, but complain to Temu, not to us. And there's more stickers.
This is the last item.
Last item. We were actually like being a bit careful with the orders here, because we didn't know what to expect, if we could actually rely on it. So we basically just like ordered a few things. Why is this thing open? Where's the... Am I blind?
No.
Oh, there we go. Well managed. So what do we have?
These
we do
are
have cats, a
these
very
are-
sad one.
they're cats. Look at
A
them.
sleeping one.
A donut cat.
There's one drinking out of a melon. That's a meme, I believe. Pizza cat.
Oh, that looks like Lucy.
Just a bit more detail, we would have to censor this. What is that? Oh, that's coffee. Ukulele cat. Not even commenting. But yeah, it's cats. And you know, we have cats, we love cats.
Yes, we do.
So that's fine.
Purebred cat.
A purebred cat.
But yeah, this is what we've ordered of Temu. And we will be updating about these over here. These were the most expensive out of everything we ordered.
Yes, I mean, the stickers are just like a bonus for us. We just showed them because they were in the package. Those were the things we are actually curious about. This brush, the sketchbook, and of course these. Because people seem to be very curious about those.
Yeah, no. So I'm curious about them too. So I was excited to see them there. And yep, so we got 72 colors in there, which we will be looking at very shortly.
Yes, and I would say that's it already for this little unboxing video.
Yeah.
We do want to order more from Temu in the near future, so stay tuned if that's the thing that kind of interests you, because then we do another one.
Yeah.
And yeah, for now, for today, we say thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.